Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am glad you're here to join us. And if you're here for the first time, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. So today we got a lot of work to do. We are actually behind because I have something special to show you on the next video. You're gonna be very surprised. I'm super excited to show you guys. It's been a lifelong dream. We got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. So here we are working on this 2013 Elantra. We have this quarter panel that needs to be replaced. As you can see, it has a lot of damage going on. So we're gonna cut this whole quarter panel out. And I've already got a jump start on you guys. Definitely when you're replacing the quarter panel, the correct way to remove the rear glass. You don't want to damage your rear glass. And plus you're gonna be cutting somewhere in between here, too close to the glass, and you also got to be able to get down to all the weld spots within this channel. So we're gonna go ahead first and let's get this interior covered up, and then we're gonna go ahead and start attacking all of these little spot welds. So guys, you'll see the process. I'm gonna go through this whole thing. So guys, without further ado, let's get to work. Okay, so now what we're about to do is go in. I just like to sand these down a little bit just to get them flat, and then I'm gonna go in and start drilling out all of these spot welds. So remember, the spot welds look like this. We're gonna go in and start drilling them all out all the way around. We got a few in here, and as you see, we got some damage in here, so hopefully I can get that straightened out, and then when we put the new panel on to meet up with that. We also got to pull all of this rubber off right here because there's more spot welds inside of here. So what we're about to do is just get a small drill bit and go through all the spot welds. And also I need to remove this bumper as well because I have more spot welds back under in here. Okay, so let me explain what I did here. So basically, when you're cutting out all of these spot welds, use a smaller size drill bit. I think this size right here is a number 30. So I use a number 30, something small, because you want it to be smaller than the spot weld, because these smaller drill bits cut very quickly and easily. And then all I did is use a step bit, which is right here, and I just stepped it up to the size of the spot weld and I cut it out that way. So there's several different ways to do this application of trying to cut out a quarter panel. So I chose to do it this way than the previous way what I was gonna do. So this is the way how to actually do it, and then I'm gonna show you how to remove this panel. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing for the next few minutes of going through and getting all the spot welds off. So you already know the deal. Let's get to work. So I got these things already opened up, the hole's bigger. So now all of the spot welds are drilled out up here, and we got the ones drilled out in here. And so still we got left right around here and in the door jamb and the few that's right behind this bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and attack taking off this back bumper and then drilling out the rest of the spot welds, and then do our 2 cuts, and this quarter panel will be ready to come off. Okay guys, after cutting this piece, it's a rough cut. Don't worry, because on the new panel it's going to surpass this, so then I'll be able to know how much I need to trim up here. So this cut don't have to be measured or anything, just basically just try to make a straight line. And then on the next panel it's going to be longer, so all I'm going to do is mark my line where it needs to be, and these pieces will match perfectly. The same at the bottom, got a little off on it, but it's okay. This all can be welded back when the whole thing gets welded up. So here's where we at, and now we're about to start separating the panel from the actual car. Guys, so now we're at this point. As you can see, I got the panels coming off. You're just gonna have to be pretty aggressive with it and find all the spot welds and make sure that you get them all. I still have a few right here that I missed, so I need to grind this off and find where the spot welds are here. This is already a loose, you can already see behind it, and another spot weld I missed, it's right here. So I'm just gonna get those off. I say about 80% of getting this thing off, get the last few spot welds off, and this thing is ready to come off.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so I finally got this thing done. So now all we have to do is just peel it open like a little tin can. And this is finally, she's completely off now. Now all I'm gonna do now is go around here and clean up all of my edges, get a little block, straighten out all of my ends, clean up all of this, knock off all of this paint, so and then when I get back to getting ready to weld it, everything will stick because it'll already be sanded. The one thing that gave me a fight was taking the quarter panel off of this piece right here. Whatever kind of foam or glue, whatever it uses, is very strong. But besides that, man, this panel is off. It just took a little persuasion. I'm thinking about changing this out too as well while I'm at it, because I'm already at this stage, so might as well. And so let me go ahead and show you the new part. So here is the new replacement quarter panel. I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did on the other one. The only thing I'm gonna do different on this one is on my cut lines, I'm gonna bring them longer. So and then it'll be farther past, and then I just mark it, and it'll be able to weld it, both of them up evenly. So I'll show you the process of how to do that. Very super simple, but man, I love the progress on this car. It's just going to be the same thing doing over again, so I'm not going to record this portion because you just seen the portion of getting it taken off. Well, if you have any question, guys, hit me in the comments below. Guys, that is it for this video. I am very happy with the progress that got done on this panel. Of course, I got to do the other quarter panel as well, and then we're going to get ready to put this thing on. So guys, make sure you got your push notifications on and don't miss any videos. You don't want to miss any steps. And also guys, stay tuned to the video tomorrow. Man, I'm super excited to show you guys something that's super epic. Guys, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.